Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie diagrams. Pie diagrams are powerful visual tools that help us understand how different parts contribute to a whole. We'll cover everything from preparing your data to drawing and labeling your diagram effectively. By the end, you'll be able to create clear and informative pie diagrams for any data set, making complex information easy to grasp for your audience. Before drawing, proper data preparation is crucial. First, gather your data and group it into clear categories with corresponding numerical values. Make sure all values are positive. Then, calculate the percentage each category represents out of the total. For example, if a category has a value of 25 and the total is 100, its percentage is 25%. This step ensures your diagram accurately reflects proportions. Now, let's draw the diagram. Begin by drawing a perfect circle. This circle represents 100% of your data. For each category, calculate its central angle. Multiply its percentage by 360 degrees. For instance, a 25% slice will have a 90-degree angle. Use a protractor to draw these angles from the center, creating distinct slices for each category. Finally, effective labeling and presentation make your pie diagram understandable. Label each slice directly with its category and its percentage. Use different, contrasting colors for each segment to improve readability and visual appeal. Always include a clear, concise title that describes the diagram's purpose. A legend is also helpful to clarify what each color represents, ensuring your audience can easily interpret the information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.